Is it visible?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. And I hope I'm fairly audible to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Very good, very good. So let us start with what we left out on yesterday. So we were talking about RNA processing, and in that we have taken the first processing which occurs in an RNA molecule, messenger molecule, is that 5 capping. So we were talking about how a 5 capping is added to a emerging RNA molecule uh, code transcriptionally. As the transcription is going on, this process starts, and it ends before the transcription of that particular mRNA is finished. Most of the time, it ends before that. So we have seen this structure. What is the structure, cap structure, which has been added to the growing RNA molecule? You all must recollect that this is particularly a guanine molecule which is present and which is added in an opposite direction. That is, instead of bonding 5-3 bonding, it goes for a 5-5 bonding, so that no phosphatase remains free. So this was our 7-methyl guanosine. The sugar molecule, that is the ribose sugar molecule, this binds with your triphosphatase, 3 phosphates group added to each other by a ester bonding, phosphoester bonding, and this phosphatase, triphosphatase, binds to your mRNA molecule. This is what we have already studied in our cap structure. So this particular cap structure, whatever is been added at the initiation, is called as the cap 0. This is mandatory for all messenger RNA. It will be present in all messenger RNAs. So at many times we find that many organisms, they also have other of structures, additional structures present. These were the steps which we have already discussed in detail, and try to comprehend what it is, what are the steps happening over here. And the last step of this reaction, the fifth step, was not been discussed, and that is the addition of additional caps to a present mRNA molecule. So this is the step which usually doesn't happen in all of the mRNAs. It may happen with some of the mRNAs specifically. Okay. So that's why if you say addition of cap, this step could be missed. In that, just the cap 0, it doesn't have this enzyme, and it doesn't have this reaction going on. Now, what is this reaction? This reaction says that finally the cap, this methyl 7 guanine cap, it modifies this enzyme 20-MTase methyl transferase enzyme. This modifies the 2' oxygen, 2' O. Are you all able to see? Sorry, I just forget to. Okay. So this, there is an addition molecule enzyme present, that is 2' O methyl transferase. So this modifies the two carbon position, and specifically the oxygen OH. That O is modified at +1. That is the first ribose sugar of your mRNA molecule, and that is generates the cap1 structure. Now it is also a cap structure because it is protective in nature. It will protect your growing mRNA molecule. uh, is this much clear? Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
okay. So addition of another's of cap1 structure and cap2 structure takes place in some of the uh, RNAs. Not all RNAs will have this kind of arrangement. So let us see how we can conclude all this processing, processing of, uh, we can say, the addition of 5 capping or 5 guanine structure at this junction. So what is happening, these all structures we have already talked about. So I'll be just skipping. You all can recollect that yes, this is what all has happened. So at the end, the fifth structure, what takes place is this. Now here we can see that the methyl is been added to the first inverted guanine structure. Can you all see the pointer? It's at the fifth reaction.
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Okay. So now this is your first nucleotide molecule of growing mRNA strand, which was modified in our first reaction. In this first nucleotide molecule, at the position of 2, again it is a methyl transferase. So what it will do? It will combine with this molecule SAM, and it will take up a methyl group from here, and it will add that methyl group to the first nucleotide base pair in the reaction, ultimately giving rise to the SAH. Uh, I hope some of you must have tried to look out what is this molecule and what is this molecule. So this reaction takes place for the addition of different caps, cap 1 structure or cap 2 structure. Okay, so this was the first reaction which we have not discussed. So going further, now let us try to over uh, or correlate all the things what are happening to conclude all formation of caps, whether it is cap 0, cap 1 or cap 2 structures, how it is taking place. It will be more like a revision of what we did yesterday. So because when you revise something within 24 hours, it is memorized maximum. So if you are not able to hear, or if you are missing out some points, what I'm saying, what I'm talking, you can speak up and will try to elaborate that or explain that again. So you all have seen this is the structure of the guanine molecule. It's a purine base, and I've highlighted the H over here. You can see this is the position which is going to be modified. So now what happens that this guanine structure, what we have, is first of your cap structure, cap 0 structure. So at here, at the seventh position, this is your seventh nitrogen, nitrogen at the seventh number. This nitrogen has an H molecule, that is hydrogen molecule, which gets modified. This we have already seen, that this H gets replaced by a CH3 molecule, that is a methyl molecule, and you get a different molecule, that is your 7 methyl guanine. Okay, this much is clear. I hope that you all remember, try remembering this structure, because it could be asked in the examinations most of the time to define what is the cap structures or to elaborate what is cap structure. So this particular structure, I would like you all to uh, remember what this is. So I'm more emphasizing on what is the structure and what gets replaces over here. So now this guanine methyl, it is added having a ribose sugar molecule. Now this ribose is also very particular. You can see that here this two OH are present in it. Whereas we know in DNA this OH is missing out at the second position. So this this ribose at a 3 position has a free OH molecule. Uh, we know that the bonding of phosphate diester skeleton of the RNA takes place from 3 to 5 direction. Now here this 3OH remains free because it doesn't bind to any phosphate. Instead, what is bound is at the 5 prime, we can see the ribose at the 5 prime, it binds with the triphosphatase. So we say it is a inverted guanine molecule. Many of the time in literature you will find an inverted guanine is been added. So we say the term inverted because it is added not by the 3 bonding but by the 5 prime bonding. So in case if it has been asked why the first molecule is told to be bound inverted or why it is called as inverted guanine, this would be the reason because of the 5 prime binding. So the triphosphatase are bound to it, and this constitutes your 5 prime triphosphate bond. This is also very unique bond which is not present in mRNA otherwise. So, what all these structures, the 5 prime phosphatase with your sugar and nucleotide, that is guanine specifically, 7 methyl guanine, they all constitute your cap 0 structure. कभी कभी मिस आउट हो सकता है, हम कैप वन नंबर से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, बट रिमेंबर दैट दिस इज द कैप 0 स्ट्रक्चर. That means it is going to be present in almost all messenger RNAs. Rather, it is mandatory to have that functionality of the mRNA. So till this, we are pretty clear. We have discussed each enzyme, each step, how it is taking place. Now we will go and see how the cap1 structure and cap2 structures are added to it. So there will be addition of a ribose molecule. Before I proceed, once again, I just want to confirm, is it audible and visible? Are you getting step by step?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Thank you for the response. So at this 5 prime, another of a ribose will add. This ribose is of your mRNA strand, which has been growing. So this ribose will have a nucleotide base, that will be your base 1 attached at it position, that is first position at carbon first. This is your nucleotide attached to it. Okay, so this ribose at 3 prime will be attaching to another of a phosphate molecule, and at 2 position it has an OH molecule. The reason why it is sensitive to alkaline, at 2 position it has an OH molecule. So the 3 position will have a phosphate bonding, ester bond, and it will get attached to another of a sugar molecule. At 5 prime and this phosphate will another add to a sugar molecule. So here we can see the actual bonding in mRNA will always be having this configuration, repeated configuration of this occurring again and again to form whole of your mRNA structure. I hope I'm making it pretty clear in this that this is the bond what we usually have in our mRNA, or rather all RNAs. All RNAs will have this particular bonding. So this ribosome will have a 3 prime and again OH. The same structure here being repeated as a second molecule. Why I am showing you? Because these are the two structures which will be forming your cap structure, cap 1 and cap 2 structures. So this will be added to another of a nucleotide, nucleotide base 2. Now here in the nucleotide base 1, usually you will find adenine or guanine present maximum of the time. Either it is guanine or adenine. Hardly cytosine and thymine are present over here. Nucleotide 2 can have any of the structures present. So again this continuous structure will be repeated in our pre-RNA which is emerging. So now let us have a look what will happen at the structures. Now I have highlighted most of the points which you should remember, like it is added to a nucleotide base. The bonding is taking place 5 prime, 3 prime, ribose and phosphate. Alternate. A ribose, one phosphate. Again sugar, one phosphate. This will be repeated. So I have highlighted you all to remember the important points which you all should write when you are writing or when you are describing this process. So what will happen that this OH molecule at the 2 position, second carbon, it gets replaced. The oxygen get modified. Now can anyone remember what enzyme will be utilized over here in the fifth of the reaction? Difficult to remember uh, so easily. Still anyone if want to try out? No? MT is the enzyme. M for methyl, methyl transferase. Whether right or wrong, at least I want some of you to be responsive during my lectures. Otherwise, I feel I'm just not making much sense.
Sev, um,
रिएक्शन का कोई भी मॉलिक्यूल आपको याद आ रहा है? यस, इट वाज मेंशन विच
7 methyl transferase.
okay, yes, it is 2 methyl transferase because the position is 2, but very good, at least you tried out. Thank you, Aarti. It is 2 prime O methyl transferase. Now we should know that this is the oxygen molecule which is getting modified over here. So it is 2 prime O. The position, it is donating the position, showing off the position. And it is a methyl transferase, so it will add up some methyl group. Okay. And the substrate will be SAM, S-adenosyl methionine, which will get converted into SAH, that is H adenosine homocysteine. Okay. So that is the reaction. So in this step, what will happen? This OH will be replaced by a methyl group. That is, the H will be replaced by a CH3 molecule. That is methyl group. Can you all see this? What the replacement has just occurred?
Yes, ma'am.
The one which I am highlighting. Okay. So
Yes,
we
ma'am.
can see that the H molecule, the hydrogen molecule, gets replaced by a CH3 molecule. Now, since it is replaced by a CH3 molecule, it becomes less reactive as compared to the OH molecule, the hydroxyl molecule, which is more reactive and can have bonding with other molecule, or even can have a hydrogen bonding forming with the OH molecule. So when this gets replaced with the CH3 molecule or methyl molecule, it blocks the reactivity of that particular site. इस site की जो reactivity होती है, it gets blocked up. Okay. So this all structure, the structure from here with your phosphatase and sugar and nucleotide base, this all structure will constitute your CAP1 structure. So when you are asked to define CAP structure, it will be better if you define your CAP0 structure and say there could be present of CAP1 or CAP2 structures. Okay, so this is particularly constituting your CAP1 structure, the area which I am highlighting over here. This much is clear. Only one enzyme required
Yes, ma'am.
and only one reaction, substitution reaction taking place over here. Okay. Now the CAP2 structures will be repetition of this. It will happen at the +2 nucleotide base, the sugar molecule of the second nucleotide base. So can anyone tell me now, repeat in repetition, what will happen? Any of the boys, if they are present, any of the girls?
Addition of phosphate group.
Yes. Phosphate group. Okay. Then again, a ribose sugar will be added. Now,
Yes,
I'm
and
yeah.
methyl uh, methyl group, like H will be replaced by methyl group.
Very correct. Very correct. The H over here also will be replaced by the methyl group. And what will be the activity of the enzymes? What enzyme will be used?
To methyl transferase.
Very correct. 2 prime O methyl transferase. Why there is 2 prime O added? Because this particular enzyme will not replace methyl over here. Okay. If this enzyme will replace the methyl only at this particular position, very specific, only this carbon atom, only this OH molecule, and only hydrogen atom being replaced. Because there is another of a methyl transferase which replaces hydrogen over here. That's why it has been given specificity. So it will be called as a 2 prime O methyl transferase. Okay. So in the repetition, again, this OH molecule will be replaced by another of a CH3 molecule, and that will be taking place over here. Now, this structure will be called as your cap.
Cap 2.
Very correct. Your cap 2 structure. Clear up till this to all of you?
यस मैम. मैम ये रिकॉर्डिंग आप भेज सकते हैं.
Yeah, okay, sure, definitely.
मतलब वो थोड़ा
I'm extreme.
रिवीजन हो जाएगा.
रिवीजन हो जाएगा. आई नो. आई एम एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी, मैंने अभी तक कोई भी पीपीटी और कोई भी नोट्स नहीं भेजे हैं, because it
इट्स
is
ओके मैम.
too taxing to prepare everything, to do everything, and keep link what we have sent, what we have not sent. So very soon I'll do that. uh, one more reason is like I want you all to study also. मतलब notes मिल जाते हैं तो students थोड़े से laid back हो जाते हैं. इतना मिल गया ना, इतना
नहीं मतलब सिर्फ ये रिकॉर्डिंग मतलब थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है इसलिए.
यस श्योर श्योर, मैं ये रिकॉर्डिंग शेयर करूंगी सो यू ऑल कैन सी दैट. और आई थिंक मैंने ये रिकॉर्डिंग भी इसके लिए की है, सो आई नो लाइक when I visualize later on, when I see, so I also get to know which are points which I should have emphasized more or talked to you regarding more. So that's why it gives me also inputs. So I'll send you the link for this so you all can also go through this. And if you have any suggestions, any feedback, then it will be happy. I mean, I'll be happy to know that yes, you have gone through this. So I need,
थैंक यू मैम.
yeah, welcome, welcome, Aarti. You are always welcome. All my students are welcome. And I hope all my students welcome me also. I need responses from you. So I know
ओके
how to
मैम.
improvise on my PPTs, how to improvise on my technique, because this is, you all know, this is something new which we all are doing. If I would have been doing this on board, I would have been drawing every like and making you emphasize on this. So I've tried to like replicate that over here. Any of your feedbacks are always welcome. Don't hesitate. You all can have a contact with me on WhatsApp also. Personal WhatsApp number. You can always message me and ask if you have any queries. So I hope this particular topic is pretty clear and you all understood each aspect of it, and you would be able to speak on this if needed. Few points again I will like to emphasize, which you all should remember, are the enzymes, the sequences of the steps which take place, like what happens first, what happens next, and all the three cap structures: cap 0 structure, cap 1, and cap 2 structures. This is important point as talking about 5 capping. So
ओके
let
मैम.
us move. I think this is all for today's. You all know that we already have a assignment given to all of you. So has anyone of you started or had just looked up what these are, या फिर next week में है तो who cares? or if you all are busy with Ganpati, that is also very good thing. I will not say कि let it be, नहीं करना चाहिए, बहुत जरूरी है. But did anyone try to find out what is the meaning of this word? In this lecture, I did said that word. If anyone of you were attentive,
No, ma'am, I'll like search today. कल
no,
टाइम नहीं था थोड़ा इसलिए.
no issues. Even I am. Also become busy, so there is no issue with that. But I just want you all to be vocal about it. Yes, ma'am. हम लोग थोड़े busy थे इसमें उसमें इसलिए नहीं किया. So this is very uh, good thing. Yes. Anyone else? Yuvraj, I have not seen you in any of my lectures. I think yesterday was first lecture. I saw your name. Are you getting what I'm talking about over here? Hello, Yuvraj. Are you there? I think he is just present, not actually in the class. So I'll be more attentive to such students which are always present in my lecture but not attentive. Rest all, I think they do reply, they do comment, they do ask me to repeat also, and that is something really good. So let us revise what I think first four roll numbers are they present in this class? Who is roll number one?
Ma'am, me, Aarti,
Aarti,
151.
151. Okay, and who's next? Not present. Okay, then
I guess Shweta.
Shweta, she's present or she's not here. Hello, Shweta.
Hello, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You are the second roll number.
No, ma'am. Roll number 3.
Roll number three. Okay, that is 153.
Yes.
All number goes like this, na? 151, 52. Okay. So then who is next?
Ma'am, 154.
154, Rakhi. Okay. So one is absent. From 1 to 4, one student is not there. 152. Okay. So who's next after Rakhi? Hello, Yuraj. Are you there? Not able to hear.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. How are you?
155.
155 आपका
हाँ
नंबर है. ओके. आपको कल समझा मैंने ये क्या असाइनमेंट दिया है, क्या वर्क दिया है आप लोग को?
या
Do you have access to laptop or mobile where you can work over here?
मोबाइल.
Mobile. Okay, okay. No issues, no issues. So I will expect you to be present in my lecture. Uh, During lecture, I may ask you anything like this. So you will have to speak up. है ना? आई नो इट इज डिफिकल्ट. एक ही घर में पढ़ना करना ऑनलाइन थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट होता है, बट स्टिल आई विल लाइक माई ऑल माई स्टूडेंट्स टू बी अटेंटिव ड्यूरिंग माई क्लास. सो आपको समझ में आ गया क्या असाइनमेंट करना है आपको? ओके ओके. आपने ट्राई किया क्या?
हाँ.
ओके ओके. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. सो 155. हु इज 156? Not present. Okay, 157. Or next, who's next?
158, ma'am.
158, Harshada. Okay, okay, good, good. So did you try?
We'll try surely. Next Thursday, right?
Okay, okay. Okay, did any one of you remember that I have told about this compound in today's lecture? What this compound is? Or I am not that clear during the lecture?
Ma'am, you told us
मैम मैं भूल गई थी टोटली.
कोई बात नहीं, द नाम नाम ही इतना बड़ा सा है. इट इज प्रेटी क्लियर कि भूल जाएंगे, जब दो चार बार पढ़ेंगे तो ध्यान में आएगा. बट
it
ओके,
is
ठीक है.
S adenosyl something methionine.
Yes. S adenosine, methionine is SAM, and homocysteine is SAH. So I hope you all find out about this
Yes,
the
ma'am.
correct way. See, I have given you all task for the next Wednesday and next Thursday. So that doesn't mean
Yes,
कि
ma'am.
Wednesday को सिर्फ Wednesday वाले present होंगे lecture में. I expect all of you to be present in during that lecture, and I expect that you all do your the best for that. And please don't mind कि मैडम ये क्या काम दे देती है, ऐसा दे देती है, वैसा दे देती है. I would like you all to be best in whatever you are doing. So this is my little way to make you all more confident. So when you move out with your MSc degree, you don't lag behind in speaking or presenting or saying anything about yourself. So all have to be present even on Wednesday and on Thursday.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So this was all for today. Thank you all. And if you wish to have some interaction or any queries, we still have some time with us. So it will be good to see all my students. If I can have a look at you all. Hello, Shweta.
Hello, ma'am.
I hope all the studies are going well and you are taking
Hello,
care of your
ma'am.
students also. Hello, Ankita. How are you?
I'm fine, man. What about you?
I'm also fine. Just yesterday went out for a little shopping, and I was surprised to see that everywhere there are so many pupils. Like as usual, I was expecting all to be empty, and only few shops and like that. But it was a good surprise. Maybe because of the festivities, the Ganpati festivals going on. So we move around to meet everyone. Hello, Harshada. How are you?
हर्षदा नहीं दिख रही है.
नहीं दिख रही है. मुझे दिखी.
मैम आप कॉलेज में हो?
नहीं, मैं घर पे ही हूँ.
ओके.
ब्लैक बोर्ड दिख रहा है इसलिए पूछ रहे हो क्या? हाँ, वो मेरी डॉटर के लिए है. वो उसमें पढ़ती है. वैसे पढ़ती तो नहीं हूँ, ड्राइंग ज्यादा करती है. पढ़ने में बच्चों को इंटरेस्ट नहीं होता है. Isn't it? Hello,
Ma'am, I
Ravi.
have one query. Now,
Yeah, Shweta, बोलो.
ma'am, I'm preparing for UPSC examination, so like I'm confused about optional subjects. What to take?
Okay,
Botany.
yeah. Very congratulations that you have put up your agendas clear, that you are preparing for an UPSC examination. What exactly you in UPSC, which field you are choosing?
Like post. Is it about
Post.
post?
Yeah, in UPSC also you have to fill up, na, which
Yeah.
category you are, which for
My
which.
like priority is IS and second is IS.
Okay. That is also good. That is also good. So, what is this optional subjects? Even I don't have much idea regarding this. I'll have to.
We have almost like 18 to 20 subjects available, and we have to
Okay.
choose any one subject like botany, sociology, uh, agriculture. But botany, I thought I would take botany, but the resources are so limited.
Yeah. This could be also a reason. Why
And
botany?
second, I thought I should take sociology, but some of the technical words I don't understand about the sociology.
Okay. Have you tried to look at some old questions paper or
Yes,
regarding this
ma'am.
option?
Uh, I've studied previous year questions of botany, so I thought uh, I have some relationship with them. Okay, I know this question, but sociology is like everything is new for me.
Yeah, yeah. So I would prefer something which you already know. You should go for that because
Ma'am, but the thing is,
the
botany have so much limited resources. Uh,
yeah,
and
but
there's
the
not
first
like a
yeah.
honored level preparation for botany. In botany, we have two papers, botany one and botany two.
Okay. So sociology is the totally different, altogether totally different subject. You will have to like really read that up. The
Yes,
first criteria will be whether you clear that. Your clearance is also that matters. If you are able to cope up with sociology, if you can study that well and cope up with that, then I'll say you can choose another of a subject. But learning altogether a different subject and going for a competitive exams, you will require a lot more knowledge in that to compete
yes.
and
I think
clear.
botany is much easier for me, but the uh, resources are so limited. I don't have any book of botany, or even I'm not
Uh,
getting any
Sh-
PDF from the Google.
Shweta, why don't you refer like an academy or like we
Yeah,
have a proper.
I'm studying from there only, an academy. But
Yeah, an academy is there, or if you have certain topics like in your topic, then you can go for some research paper oriented study also. In that, if you get the introduction part, you get most of the knowledge over there if you try looking out for. Or there are some free PDFs available if you look out for references. And our library, actually, you are not able to come here, but our library has a good source of books related to it.
library is open now.
No, that is the issue right now. It's not open. And I don't know whether you all have been told anything about e-library in our college.
No,
Not.
ma'am.
So
No,
you all
ma'am.
can just go and or rather call up and inquire because I have just heard that there is a provision of e-library. Now, since you all have taken up admission, it should be available to you also.
Okay, ma'am.
But in that case, if you require any help and if I have any books of that kind, then I'll try having look. If you have a name of the books, then you can definitely tell me if I'm having that book, or if we can get it from anywhere. I'll definitely look into it.
Can I send you the previous year questions of botany so that you can suggest me which
Yes, yes,
that
definitely you can send me. I'll also have a look and I'll also prepare myself uh, what kind of questions are asked, whether I'm able to do it or no. And if I'm of any help, I'll definitely try to do that. All the best and keep studying. That's a very good decision you have taken for yourself. Uh, if anyone else wants to say anything, what about others? Let me check how many of us are present in today's lecture. Okay. So, okay, take care, all of you. And next week, again, we all meet up on Wednesday.
Yes.
yes.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Then take care.
Take care. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye
Bye,
bye.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
बाय बाय.